They like to do this. Everything's under control. How predictable.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, southeastern Pasco County in west central Florida, west central Polk County in central Florida until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near County Settlement, or 7 miles north of Lakewood, moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to vehicles is expected. Damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Crystal Springs, Kathleen, and Gibsonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida,
Hillsborough and Pasco is what he said.
The current time is 5:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm